This is the Preschool Starter Kit, or you might have ordered the Preschool Starter Kit with the Digital Leader Guides add-on. Both have the same content, so let's look inside at everything that's available to you as a preschool leader. Now, Preschool with Lifeway includes babies all the way through completed kindergarten. You'll find all of the resources for teaching all of these age groups. First, beginning with the Babies through 2's curriculum. You have a leader pack, the leader guide right here, and then the preschool keepsake book, which is the take-home piece for Babies through 2's. Next, you have all of your resources for 3s through pre-K, which again includes a leader pack, a leader guide, and then one take-home piece, which is the preschool activity book. Then you're going to have your resources for completed kindergartners or rising first graders. Again, the pack, the leader guide, and then you have a sample of the preschool activity book, which is for kindergartners as well. That covers all of your Bible study materials, but you also get all of your rotation materials for 3s through kindergartners right here inside the 3s through kindergarten rotation pack. This has everything for music, for crafts, for missions, for rec, all that you need included right in this pack. Then, just some samples for you. You see a sampler pack of all 6 of our craft packs so that you can look through them, work them ahead of time, and decide which ones you want to order. And last but not least, there's a little sample of some really cool stuff like the Memory Maker, which is another take-home element to help kids of this age remember the Bible stories from Destination Dig. So some things to check out again so that you have a sample and you know what to go back and order next. All of this is available to you in the Preschool Starter Kit, and if you are looking for the digital add-on, that allows you to have an extra leader guide for each of these age groups as a PDF download. So either one of those options will help you and your preschool team have your best VBS ever.